Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be actually creating some pages, the pages that we need. So the very minimum and the very basic pages we're going to need are customer support page, training page and a sales page. Okay, so we're going to create those now. We're not going to dig too much in depth about actually the content on the page. We'll be doing that in some more videos, but for now we're going to create those pages. You can then get the links across for your training and your customer support pages. Get those links across to the programmers so they can put those into your app. And then we can build out, and I'll show you the advantage of using this WordPress page as well, and kind of how it's going to be working with your app. So first of all, if you're not using WordPress, if you're not using Optimized Press, you're using a free theme, then you'll be coming here, and then if we just click pages there, you'll be coming here and go and add new a page there. Okay, if we're using Optimized Press here, we hover over Optimized Press and go create new page like that. Okay, now there's a load of templates already here, so let's think what pages we needed. So we need a training page. So for that I would just hit blank page. Let's just have a quick look, see if there's anything good in here. Yeah, I'd go with blank page. They're right at the bottom here. If we clicked blank page at the top, that just takes you straight down. So I would go for this one, full width. Click use this template, give it a name. Now the obvious one is training, like that. Click create page. That's going to go ahead and create that page. That page is now created, so it catches up. Now just flick it from draft to publish and hit save and continue, or perhaps save and close even. Save and close. That page is created. The next page we're going to need is our support page. Now there is a template in here. We could use this template, or we could go with that one. Let's use a template for this one. So let's go use the template, and then you could call it support or contact, entirely up to you. Hit create page. That's done. All we need to do is make sure that's published, save and close this time. And then the other page we're going to need is sales page. So there's a couple of pre-built sales pages here. Let's go for a template again, and then let's call this sales. Now this time I will save it as a draft. Okay, I'm not actually going to publish it, just in case people find out about our site, and they, you know, some people are pretty savvy. They'll try and type in sales and stuff like that to try and find out what's going on. So let's just click save and continue and leave that one as a draft. Now, yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll tackle these pages one by one. I'm not going to show you how to use this if you're brand new to it just yet. We'll tackle those one at a time. Yeah, so that's the three main pages that you need. Now of course you can create more pages as you need them. If your app needs more pages, it does. Let's have a look at another app here. Let's just log in here and I'll show you how this one is built. This is pretty basic and simple. So we'll go into the app here. So you see we got training, support, dashboard up here. So if we click the training page, then it shows the training here within the app. So this here is a WordPress page. Now you could of course have webinars, updates, news, you know, anything like that, and that way you can control this page. Once you you know, work out how to use Optimized Press 2 and everything, you can make some really creative pages within your app, and you can always update those pages anytime you want. So here, although we've got some training videos here, you could have banners here, you could have opt-in forms, you could have videos, you could have all sorts of stuff, all controlled from your simple WordPress site where you just log into WordPress. You can update that on the fly quickly and easy. You're not going to need to get in touch with programmers and stuff like that. It's nicely within your app. You know, it looks neat, looks clean. So it's a super advantage, you know, having that WordPress like that, and super easy for you as the app owner to control that as well. So that's the benefits of doing that. That's why we're doing it. That's why we're having WordPress and everything, because it's going to be easy for us. So yeah, that's the three pages you should make. Now looking back into WordPress here, let's just close this one off. Now let's go back to pages. So let's get rid of this sample page. This is always installed with WordPress. Let's just click trash, get rid of that. We don't want that. So we've got our sales page, which is a draft, which we'll be working on as things progress. We'll leave that as a draft, so people snooping around are not going to come and find it. We could put up a coming soon page and an opt-in page. Perhaps I will cover that in a video. That's a good idea to do that. We could do a lead magnet, start building up interest for the product. So we'll probably cover that. So we've got our support page and our training page there. Go ahead, create any more pages that you need with your app that work with your, when you mapped it out and everything. If you needed extra pages, do that. If at this point you've realized how it's working and you want to add in another page, go ahead, add that in, tell the programmers. So all you need to do to get the links or the URLs to give to the programmers, this view button here, you can either click that and that shows us the page, which that was a blank page because there's nothing on it. Or you can right click on there, or if you're using a mouse pad like this with a Mac, 2 fingers, a light tap, 2 fingers, copy link address, get that over to the programmers, tell them which pages are what, where they need to be, where the URLs need to be. Tell them where the URLs need to be, and just shoot those off, and then you're ready. So in the next videos, we're going to look at the actual content we're going to be putting on these pages. We're going to be looking at customer support stuff, and the best way I think you should do that. So, yep, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.